Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please keep on watching to see how I created this look. First, I use the M.A.C Fix Plus Prep and Prime to prime my face and let it dry until it becomes sticky. Then I use a red lipstick as a corrector under my eye to hide my dark circles because I don't have any salmon color. And then I top it up with a concealer. Surprisingly, I like the result of this because it makes my under eyes look even brighter. I use Fenty Beauty in the shade 180 as my foundation. This foundation is very thick and you can it has a smell of macam plasticine, you know, macam porcelain punya bau, and you have to dab it fast because dia cepat kering. This foundation oxidized, that's why you can see on my face the color is lighter than my skin tone. And then this foundation is a medium to full coverage. To create this look, I'm using my favorite palette ever, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I like this palette because it has a pink tones. The first color I'm going to take is Shy. This one, I'm going to dab it all over my lid as a base color. So as you can see, dia ada pink, macam pink hue punya color. Also, whatever eyeshadow that I'm going to use next, I'm going to color it under my under eye also. I use Flamingo to color my crease. Then, I'm taking Man-Eater to deepen my outer corner. Tu macam ada effect smoky pink macam tu lah. And also in my inner corner. Yang tengah-tengah tu kita leave it supaya dia macam nampak ada halo effect, and nanti kita nak color warna lain dalam tu. This is one of my favorite shade, Angelic. So I'm going to use it to color the center of my eyelid. Nanti nampak macam bercahaya je mata tu. So cantik lah effect dia. Then I'm gonna continue my routine macam biasa. Bronzer, guna Hula Benefit untuk contour, bronzer pula dah. Lepas tu guna Becca Face Palette untuk blusher warna pink. And then for my highlighter, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade, I forgot the shade color. I will put down the description in the box below. Salah. Untuk highlighter pun guna Becca Face Palette juga. Sebab itulah dia, inilah dia. Padah tak tengok video sampai habis. Dah buat voice over. Lepas tu kita guna Ariel Wispies untuk eyelashes. And then guna Maybelline wing eyeliner. Ni yang baru punya rasanya sebab dia ada bengkok sikit kat depan tu. So senang kita nak buat cat eye. Lepas tu guna Chanel punya mascara. Yang ni dapat free je sebab tu botol kecil. Ni sample. So dia punya effect pun nice juga. Nampak macam tebal kita punya ni. So lepas tu kita guna Kamelia Cosmetics punya lipstick. In the shade Ariel. Can fulfilling mermaid gitu. I memang suka Disney punya princess ni. Makeup ni pun macam pink-pink. Macam inspired by princess. Okay, dah siap. Lepas tu jangan lupa pakai setting spray untuk bagi makeup tu tahan lama. Dan juga dia macam enhance juga tau kita punya makeup. So, please leave a comment down below. What do you think of this makeup look? And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye!